See.
It was good teacher relaxing.
Okay, Lucy. Why, Lucy? What did you do?
Um,
Where did you go? What did you
I
eat?
stayed at home with my husband.
Very good.
I I watched a movie.
I watched it. I
As
watched the
I
movie.
watched movie.
Okay, okay. Lucy, and what movie was it?
I don't know its name,
Okay.
but um, zombies.
Ah, it was about zombies.
Yes, it was zombies.
Okay, excellent, Lucy. So it was a horror movie. Lucy, and did you like it?
Mm, so.
Okay, okay. Why not? Why not? Yes.
Um, I don't know, teacher.
Okay, okay. Very good. Lucy, and what about today? How was your day today?
Today it was good, relaxing. I stayed at home. I cleaned the house.
Very good. Okay, okay, okay. Good. And what did you eat, Lucy, today?
I ate mm, meatballs
Very good.
with. Ay, ¿cómo se llama?
With rice, with beans,
Mm, yes,
tortillas.
with rice.
Very good. Okay, okay. What about Xochitl? Xochitl, how was your day yesterday, Xochitl?
Hello, teacher. Good afternoon.
Very good.
Excuse me?
How was your day yesterday?
Uh, I I went to the holidays in my town.
Ah, yes, there is a celebration.
Yes, celebration.
Okay, Xochitl.
Yesterday.
And what celebration is that? Xochitl? Is that for a civil celebration, a religious celebration, a political
Uh,
celebration?
no, religious celebration.
Ah, religious. Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Xochitl, and was it good?
Yes.
Yes, excellent, Xochitl. Did you eat anything special, Xochitl?
No, teacher. I ate one hamburger.
One hammer. Very good. Okay, okay. Okay, very nice, very good. So let me share the screen with you. Okay, there it goes. Okay, today we are going to learn something called relative clauses. Okay, relative clauses. The idea is to put two sentences that are separated into one. Okay, for example, I can tell you that one of them is like this. Okay, I remember the day. I remember the day when I met my wife, for example. I remember the day when I met my wife. Or for example, last Monday, okay, last Monday um, was the day, last Monday was the day when I ate something delicious, okay? Very good. Okay, so let me for the board to load, okay? And we will see it, okay? Very good, there it goes. All right, so let me go to the board, okay? Ok, espérate que cargue las chicas de pizarrón. Ahí va, un segundito. Very good. Okay. There it goes. Okay. Okay, le presento el pizarrón. Very good. All right. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Very good. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it's kind of slow. Okay, good. All right. All right, there you go. Okay. And what about Lucy? Lucy, what is your plan for the weekend, Lucy? What are you going to do this weekend, Lucy? Where are you going?
I don't know, teacher. I don't have plans.
Plans. I don't have plans.
Plans?
Okay. Maybe Lucy go to the cinema. No? Go to park, go to museum. I'm sure that there you have plenty of activities, museums, cinemas, parks, no?
Yes, teacher.
Or
Maybe at
amusement
park.
parks. No? Lucy, there in your city, Lucy, are there amusement parks, Lucy?
¿Cómo, teacher?
There in your city, are
Ajá.
there any amusement parks? Remember, amusement parks, parques y diversiones. Hoy ya se los pongo en
Mm,
este.
no, teacher.
Ah,
¿Cómo
no?
se dice? No, no en esta temporada.
Ah, okay. Not in this season. No.
No, no en this season.
Ah, okay. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so today is April 16, 2026 goal. By the end of the class, students will continue learning vocabulary and grammar to describe festivals around the world. Okay, please copy the date and please copy the goal. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's continue, okay? Look at it says perspective, it says favorite celebration, it says listen to these comments about the special days of the year. Match them to the correct pictures. For example, what about please, Lucy? My favorite celebration.
My favorite celebration is Mother's Day. It's a day when my husband and my kids make pancakes for me, just like I used to make for my mom, and I get to have breakfast in bed.
Very good. Fíjate, pues, aquí tenemos esta frase. Fíjate, pues, ok. It's a day when. Estas chicas. De esto hablo, chicos, cuando hablamos de dos enunciados en uno solo, ¿ok? Que son cláusulas relativas. It's a day when, luego dice, my husband and my kids make pancakes. ¿Okay? Dice ahí, es un día cuando mi esposo y mis niños hacen hotcakes o pancakes, ¿ok? Okay, Xochitl, February 14.
February 14 is the day when people give cards and presents to the ones they love. I'm really looking forward to Valentine's Day. I already have a gift for my boyfriend.
Vean, chicos, igual aquí. February 14 is the day when. El 14 de febrero es el día cuando people give cards and presents to the ones they love. Recuerden, chicos, presents, chicas, regalos, ¿ok? Presents, regalos. Y fíjate que la siguiente frase. I'm really looking forward to. Okay, I'm really looking forward to. Chicos, que anoten esa frase políticos. Chicas, I'm really looking forward to. Eso es, estoy esperando con ansias. Estoy esperando, sí, con ansias, con expectativas, ¿ok? Ok. Well, please, Lucy, New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve is a night when I have fun with my friends. We usually have a big party. We stayed up all night and then go out for breakfast in the morning.
Very good. Vean, chicos, igual acá. New Year's Eve. ¿Qué será, Lucy? Esto. ¿Cómo decimos eso, Lucy? New Year's Eve.
Eh, la noche de Año Nuevo.
Exactamente. La víspera. Literal dice la víspera de Año Nuevo. Entonces, Eve es víspera. La víspera de Año Nuevo es una noche cuando, when, it's a night when. Vean, chicos, ok. Vean, chicos, stay up. Pero también, chicos, copien, pues, chicos, stay up. We stay up all night, ok. Quiero, chicos, nosotros nos desvelamos toda la noche. We stay up all night. Nos desvelamos toda la noche. And then, chicos, go out for. Go out for. Todo junto, chicos. Go out for. Salir para. Go out for. Salir para. Venga, y este es el tema. Chicas. Ok. Ven, vamos a ponerlo por acá. Ok, ¿dónde está? Chicas, yo he hecho una presentación, pero no la pegué. Bueno, ok, se lo explico. Vean, chicas, dice aquí. Ready classes of time, ok. Vean, chicas, dice, por ejemplo, Mother's Day is a day when my kids make pancakes for me. February 14th is a day when people give cards to the ones they love. New Year's Eve is a night when I have fun with friends. Pues, ¿qué dice? El Día de las Madres es un día cuando mis niños me hacen pancakes para mí. El 14 de febrero es el día cuando la gente da tarjetas a los que ellos aman. La víspera de Año Nuevo es una noche cuando tengo diversión con mis amigos. ¿Okay? Es decir, tenemos, we have two sentences, okay? The first sentence and the second sentence. Look that the second sentence is a full sentence. Vean que el segundo enunciado es un enunciado completo. Tenemos el sujeto, el verbo, el complemento. El sujeto, el verbo, el complemento. Igual, el sujeto, verbo y complemento. Por ejemplo, chicas, también podemos decir así. Vean. Mother's Day is a day when. ¿Ok? También, chicas, puede ser así. Vean, otro modelo es este. Vean, chicas. Mother's Day is a day in which, vean, chicas, in which my kids, okay, make pancakes for me. Ahí chicos, Mother's Day is a day in which. Vean, chicos, ya no usé when, usé in which. February 14, también puede ser así. February 14, February 14, is the day in which people give cards to the ones they love. Bien, ahí está. Y obviamente, chicos, que en lugar de usar when, use in which. ¿Qué dice ahí, chicos? El Día de las Madres es el día en el cual mis hijos hacen pancakes para mí. El 14 de febrero es el día en el cual las personas dan tarjetas a los que ellos aman. Piensa el siguiente, New Year. New Year, New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve is a night in which I have fun with my friends. Y chicos, es in which, ¿ok? A ver, chicos, escribimos, chicos, esos ejemplos de when y también, chicos, escribimos eso de in which. Me voy a cambiar el color del conector para que quede claro, ¿ok? Ahí va, chicos. Very good. Very good. In which? Ujú. Ahí está, ok. Very good. Y como chicas, el título que este, Erratic Cross of Time, y escribimos esos ejemplos y su modelo, que es su otra versión. Ok, pues, ready?
Finish, teacher.
Very good. Ok, vamos chicos al siguiente. Fíjense. How much do you know about these times? Complete the sentence in column A with the information from column B. It says then compare with a partner. Dice, Mother's Day is a day when, New Year Eve is a night when, April Fool Day, fíjense, chicos, el Día de los Inocentes, is a day when, Valentine's Day is a day when, Labor Day, chicos, el Día del Trabajo, Labor Day is a day when, Summer is a time when. People sometimes play tricks on friends. People celebrate their mothers. Many people like to go to the beach. People in many countries honor workers. People express their love to someone. People have parties or with family and friends. Pero te comparto, chicas, al grupo de WhatsApp. Espera, very good. Un segundito. Ok, there it goes. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let me share it there in the WhatsApp. Okay, very good. Okay, there it goes. Okay, good. Okay, for example, it says Mother's Day is a day when letter B. People celebrate their mothers. Okay. All right, we continue with the others and then we check. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So let me share this with you. There it goes. Okay. Okay. So number one is letter B. Okay. People celebrate their mothers. Okay. Ojo, chicas. En todos los casos, chicas, sin excepción, también puede quedar in which. Okay. En ese sentido, chicas, when puede reemplazar a in which o in which puede reemplazar a when. Okay. Por ejemplo, Mother's Day is a day in which people celebrate their mothers. Okay? Y es exactamente, it's exactly the same in English. Okay? Adelante.
Teacher, una pregunta, perdón. ¿Qué dijo que quería decir April Fools?
Sí, todo junto. April Fool's Day, el Día de los Inocentes. Oh, chicas, hay un cambio cultural. En México lo celebramos, creo que es en noviembre, ¿no, Xochitl? El Día de los Santos Inocentes.
Noviembre.
Noviembre, ¿verdad? Ok.
Sí.
Y vean que es como un cambio cultural. En la cultura inglesa, ok, es decir, por ejemplo, Inglaterra, Estados Unidos, Australia, no lo celebran en noviembre, lo celebran en abril. Vean, April Fool's Day es, eso está junto, el Día de los Inocentes. Literal dice abril, Día de los Inocentes. Ok, entonces anoten esa diferencia cultural, que en países latinoamericanos lo celebramos en noviembre, pero allá, chicos, es en abril.
Ok, gracias.
Very good. Okay, when you finish, please tell me, okay? Very good.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, Xochitl, number 2, Xochitl. New Year's.
New Year's Eve is a night when little F
Very good. We believe people.
people have parties with family and friends.
Very good. Excellent. Lucy, number 2, Lucy, please. April's Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day is a day when people sometimes play tricks on friends.
Very good. Excellent. Xochitl, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is a day when letter E people express their love to someone.
Very good. Lucy, Labor Day. Recuerden, Labor Day, el día del trabajo.
Labor Day is a day when people in many countries honor workers.
Very good. Excellent. Xochitl, summer is a time.
Summer is a time when, letter C, many people like to go to the beach.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Okay, look at this. Just complete these sentences with your own information, then compare with the pattern. For example, winter is the season, birthdays are days, spring is the time of the year, Children's Day is a day, July and August are the months, a wedding anniversary is a time. Ok, chicas, aquí vamos a combinarlo, ¿ok? Van a escribir, chicas, uno con when, ¿ok? El conector when, y otro con in which. Por ejemplo, winter is the season in which many changes happen, okay, in nature. Winter is the season in which many changes happen in nature. Okay. Please complete with your own ideas. Okay. Remember, come one with when and one with in which. One with when, one with in which, and so on. Okay. Para que usemos, chicos, ambas. Okay. Very good. Mhm.
I'm finished.
Very good. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so what about please, Lucy? Winter, Lucy. Winter is the season.
Winter is the season when trees don't have leaves.
Very good. Let me- Exactly. When trees, exactly. Very good. Okay. Searching. Birthdays are days.
Birthdays are they when people have parties with
Have
family and friends.
parties. Very good. Okay. Lucy, spring is the time of the year.
Spring is the time of the year when the trees bloom.
Very good. When trees bloom. Ven, chicos, ¿qué es eso de bloom? Recordemos, chicos. ¿Qué es, Lucy? Bloom.
Con florecer.
Florecer. Very good, okay. Xochitl, Children's Day.
Children's Day is a day when the kids do party.
Do parties, okay? Or when kids have parties, okay? Lucy, July and August are the months.
July and August are the months when many people tan on the beach.
When many
Tan.
people.
When many people tan on the beach.
Okay. Bien, chicos. Tan, okay. Tan, okay. Se broncea. O uno más común, chicos. Tan es bueno, pero otro más común, chicos. Sunbathe. Sunbathe, se broncearse, tomar baños de sol, okay. Xochitl, a wedding anniversary.
Esa no la hice, teacher.
Okay, Lucy, a wedding anniversary.
A wedding anniversary is a time in which many people have a date.
Very good. Have a date. Excellent. Okay, so let's continue. It says relative clauses of time. It says relative clauses with when describe the word time or a noun that refers to the period of time, such as day, night, month, and year. Entonces, combine the two sentences using when. Thanksgiving is a holiday. Y me hacemos otro enunciado aparte. Entire families get together. Los unimos en uno solo. Thanksgiving is a holiday when entire families get together. El día de acción de gracias es un día de descanso, son las vacaciones, cuando las familias enteras se reúnen. It's a wonderful time. People give thanks for the good things in their lives. It's a day everyone eats much more than usual. I remember one particular year. The whole family came to our house. That year was very cold. It snowed all Thanksgiving Day. I remember another thing about Thanksgiving. My brother and I baked 8 pies. Igual, chicos, la combinamos con when y también, chicas, vamos a acertar in which para que practiquemos las dos, ¿ok? Puede ser quizás uno y una, ¿ok? Pues los pongo, chicos, en el grupo de WhatsApp. Ahí va. Very good. Ok. Para que lo tengamos. Ahí va. All right. Ok, there you go, okay? Very good. All right, so let's continue and then we will check it out. Check it out, okay? Very good. Okay, chicos, paramos aquí, okay? And we will check it next class, okay? Okay, so thank you, Lucy. Thank you so much for being here today. See you next class. Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a wonderful
Thank you,
weekend.
teacher.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Very good.
teacher. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.